I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee.
Hi guys! Today we're going on some errands and we're gonna take you with us. Let's go! First, we're gonna go to the library, pick up some books, drop off some books, and get some books, and read some books. I'm saying books too many times. Everything with books at libraries are books. Isn't books spelled B-O-O-X? I don't know. Why do you think it's not spelled like that?
Because it's a book.
It's a book. Kendall, why do you not think it's spelled like that?
Because it's not spelled like that.
Good answer. That's what everyone... It's not a books. If you're trying to say one, it would be books. So that's why they didn't spell it like that. Because an X is... It's like a K and an S. So then when you're saying two books, two or more books, it would be books.
Or if you want to
B-O-O-X-S, so books. So that would make no sense.
Or if you're trying to get one book, you're gonna say, let's get a books.
Yeah. That's why they spelled it B-O-O-K. But why couldn't they do C or C-K or C-H?
Wow.
That's just how it's spelled, I guess.
That's why it's called a book.
Not books. Not B-O-O-K-S. Books.
Wait, what?
Yeah. We're walking into the library to get some books.
Okay.
No, it's not. Oh, we're done with the library. And I got 2 games. Levi got a game. Is it upside down? Nope.
No.
Okay. I got this game, Crash Bandicoot. And got this game, Pokemon Sword. Kendall, what did you get? She got a book, a little tiger book. Okay, so she got the tiger book. Thank you, face.
Now we're going into Walmart to get a gift for our cousin.
So we're getting this for our cousin, and he has an Xbox, and he needs a new controller, and this one's pretty cool.
Now we're gonna pick out a card.
So we just got out of Walmart and now we are going to go to PETLAND to pet some puppies. Are you excited about that?
Yeah.
Janice?
Yes, I'm really excited.
I
Yay! Yes! Yay! Kendall, how are you liking the puppies?
Awesome.
So cute.
It's cute.
See if you look at the camera. Oh, he's looking at the camera. You see? Oh. Did you like that?
He loves the camera.
Oh. He swapped it. It's cute. Look at these fish. Seriously, is PETLAND. Like, they have a lot of cute things here. Look at that one. Crowntail. They have a lot of crowntails in here. Oh, you're pretty. Another one. Hi. Ooh, look at you. Oh, I always want fish. Ooh, look at these. These are $10 each. Maybe we could convince Mom and Dad to get some fish, you see? I got a friend. Oh, hello, buddy. I got a friend now. He's kind of cute. He's a baby. He is? Let's see, this is a baby ball python. You see it in there? Maybe he got
The fish is eating the
mice and
No, I see him.
rats?
I see him.
Ew.
I see him.
You see that, guys?
No, Kendall, I see him. He's in the cave.
He is?
Yeah. You can see his path.
Oh.
I know.
He's right in there, but you guys can't see him. That was super cute. But he's in there. You guys believe us?
Oh, yeah, you can
Gecko. That guy's in there. He's $60. Oh yeah, the light's off. He's probably sold. So down there. Oh, what's in here?
I made
Hermit crabs. $5. They're probably on those shelves or in that cave. Do you see one? They're probably some in the shelf.
Okay, who would buy this one? The tarantula.
Ew.
He's in there.
He's
Oh, there's
probably-
crickets. There's crickets in there.
Yep, that means he's in there.
Baby
It says he eats pinhead crickets and other smaller insects.
There's a baby ball python. Hi, Mom. I made a
He's
friend.
in the cave.
Mom, I made a friend.
We're going to buy this for Sophie.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.